Guys, have you encountered a problem in your life where you are unable to analyze a research paper or unable to understand a difficult concept from a research paper? Introducing Vaani AI. This is like an AI-based assistant which helps you solve this problem. It has a voice assistant which stays with you while you are reading the research paper and also has an interactive research paper viewer. Let's look into this. So, for example, you want to read a research paper in natural language processing, which is a trendy topic. So you select that and click on search. So it fetches the most relevant results of research papers. See, for example, I'm interested in the first one, so I click with analyze with AI. So this is trying to open it in an interactive view. The left side of this will contain the PDF of the research paper, and the right side will have all the other functions. So I can explain the functions till it loads. The first function would be the chatbot function, which will help you to interact with the paper and navigate to any topic which you want, or ask the chatbot for any kind of doubt which you have while reading the paper. The second function which we have is the visualization function, which helps you to visualize any kind of graphs or any kind of difficult topics which you are unable to think of yourself. And the third function is the AI research paper is our text analysis function. So yeah, I can just walk you through right now. So text analysis is like, for example, if you find this word difficult, you just select it and it gives you the operational context and other use cases of this word. So the operational context means that in the context of this paper, what does this term mean? So generative AI means that, like, for like in terms of this paper, it will give you the word meaning, like what will the word meaning in this line. Yeah, so it helps you to read it in interactively and analyze it just by selecting it. So the second function is the chatbot function. So chatbot function, you can ask it any question like what is the conclusion, and um, and it automatically navigates to the point where the conclusion
The
is
pre-retrieval fine-tuned version.
actually present, and like helps you to analyze that also. So this shows that how you can do that. We also have a podcast feature where we have an interactive voice assistant with which you can interact and navigate to also. So if you turn this on, you can just interact with the voice assistant and do anything whatever you want. The next feature which we have is the visualization function. So for example, if you find something very difficult and unable to understand it, you just select it and it automatically creates like a graph node map of it, such that every topic is mapped to the other. The larger dots here are difficult topics mapped like to the subtopics and again to the predicates or statements at the end. So this shows that how we can like easily map it. You can also like zoom in it or do it full screen or like play around with it in order to learn the topics and learn your course more efficiently. So guys, happy reading the research papers. Thank you.